Hello dears, Namaste and welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't yet. Before I begin this episode, I want to take a few seconds to again repeat a few things in this current time of crisis. Please follow utmost hygiene, obey the rules. Kindly understand that we should take care and stay home not only for ourselves but also to safeguard our family, the society and the whole planet. It's every individual's responsibility. Pray for everyone. Appreciate and thank the healthcare workers, police force, the helpers who are tirelessly working and doing their best. Together we shall overcome. Stay home, save lives. Now coming to today's recipe, it is multigrain dosa, a protein-rich food. Proteins make hormones and enzymes while also helping keep your muscles, bones, blood, hair and nails healthy. They boost the immune system, increase fat burning and lower the risk of diabetes, just to name a few benefits of protein. Well, this wholesome dosa recipe comes from my mama. If you're watching this video, thank you. You always made sure your family got the right nutrition. Now I'm all set to share this with you all. I'm using 4 types of lentils here: urad dal or split black gram, chana dal or split Bengal gram, moong dal or split green gram, tur dal or split red gram, and moong dal or split green gram. If you're not aware, moong dal is considered to be one of the best plant-based sources of protein. It is low in fat content and very high on protein. Great source of protein for vegetarians. In a large pot, I am taking 1 cup of urad dal, half a cup of tur dal, 2 cups of brown rice, half a cup of chana dal and half a cup of moong dal. I repeat the measurements for 1 cup of urad dal, 2 cups of brown rice and half a cup each of chana, moong and tur dal. Now wash them thoroughly and soak them in enough water for 5 to 6 hours. If you are in a hurry or want to quicken the soaking process, my mama says drop an iron thing like a knife or coconut grater in the pot where these lentils are soaking and they tend to soften quicker. Well, that's a tip. After 5 hours, these grains are now softened and ready. Drain off all the water, transfer the ingredients to a mixie jar. Add 3 chilies, an inch of ginger, cumin seeds. Add water and grind the mixture to a smooth paste. The consistency should look like this. Now you can store this batter in the fridge and use the next day. The dosas turn out really well as the batter gets time to ferment. Nevertheless, you can use this batter right away with no issues. Take a small portion of this batter in a bowl, add salt to taste. Then goes in cumin seeds. Mix well. To give the dosa a little more flavor, nutritional value and variety, you can prepare a topping like I did. This is a mixture of grated carrot, finely chopped onions, finely chopped ginger. You can add in finely chopped cilantro and chilies too. Now let the skillet heat well. Set the hob to medium heat and grease the skillet with oil. Take a ladle full of this batter and spread it evenly on the skillet as shown. Now, layer the dosa with the prepared veggie mixture. Drizzle a little oil. Press the topping so that it sticks to the dosa. Gently flip it over when one side is done. Fold and remove it when the other side is also done. Repeat this process with or without using the topping. Your awesome, wholesome, high in protein dosas are ready to munch on. Serve them hot with chutney of your choice. Give this variation of dosa a try and let me know how they turned out in the comment section below.
So delicious.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, do like my video and share it with your family and friends. Stay home, stay safe, stay healthy.